including large hail and...
Unrecognized message, guys. So guys, I think that's it for April 1st. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just in time. But I think that is enough for our county. We have expires severe thunderstorm watch. So we're still under a watch until 1 a.m. tomorrow in the morning. We'll look at the mesoscale discussion. This is from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. Severe potential watch, unlikely watch probability 20%. Fields plotted. There we go. Okay. So here's the mesoscale right here for y'all. So there you go. If you want to pause the video, you can. So we got hit. I think we are pretty much out of it now. I think we're pretty good now. So it says areas affected portions of central into southern Texas. Concerning severe potential, watch unlikely. Probability watch insurance is a 20%, whatever that means. So multicellular storms and supercells have been developed ahead of a cold front across central into southern Texas toward the Rio Grande. Blah, 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 blah. All that, this and that. It's all good, all good. Cool. So, yep. If you want to access the Storm Prediction Center, you can go to what I went to, which is www.spc.noaa.gov. So, it's UTC right now. So, yeah. But this is a moderate severe risk of thunderstorms forecast for Tuesday. So here is the weather area. You get a little moving GIF in here, but I think that is it for today for our storms on this day of April 1st, 2024. Severe thunderstorm watch was just put out a little bit ago. And then for some reason on the WR here, on the WR 120s, for some reason, they put it as an unrecognized warning, which is super weird because that never happens. Like, every single watch that I've gotten, just like on that one, never happens on these. Never, never, ever. So, yeah, I'm just fiddling with this. So, yeah. So just fiddling with this. Let me know in the comments if y'all want a video about my patches and whatnot, and I'll walk through on how I got them all. But yeah, that wraps it up for today. If we reach 100 subs by the end of the year, I will buy any weather radio that y'all pick on a poll, but y'all have to do it. So, but y'all gotta make that happen. So thanks for watching. Today was April 1st. I know this was not a prank, as y'all can see. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. And as always, see you later. Bye.